Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets, allowing you to move data between projects without the mess of manual copying and pasting. First, open the Copy To menu. In the Google Sheets interface, you can move entire tabs directly from the bottom navigation bar. Look at the tabs at the bottom of your screen. Right-click on the name of the tab you want to move. Hover over Copy To in the menu. You'll see two options: New Spreadsheet if you want to start a fresh file, or Existing Spreadsheet if you want to move it into a project you've already started. Select Existing Spreadsheet. Next, select your destination file. Once you trigger the copy, a file picker window will appear to help you locate the target project. A window will pop up showing your recent files in Google Drive. Search for the name of the spreadsheet you want to copy the data into, select it, and click Insert. Google Sheets will perform the transfer in the background. Once it's finished, you'll see a small notification that the sheet was copied successfully. You can then click the Open Spreadsheet link in that notification to go straight to your destination file. When a sheet is copied to a new file, it carries over all your data and formatting. Check any formulas that reference other tabs. If those tabs don't exist in the new file, you may see a ref error. Simply update those formulas or copy the supporting tabs as well. Your protected ranges and named ranges will also need to be re-verified in the new environment. And that's pretty much it. To copy a sheet, right-click the tab, select Copy To, and choose Existing Spreadsheet. Pick your destination file from your drive, and once it arrives, rename the tab and check your formulas to ensure everything is synced perfectly in its new home. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.